Day, I just gained a little bit forward.
3.
Day, I gained a lot.
3. It's 5.
I gained a little bit
And
forward.
5.
It's a 5. Listen.
Uh-oh.
Deanne, don't throw it. You drop it, it breaks.
Wow.
You're gonna wreck it.
Yes, and Mommy's gonna be mad.
Yep.
Mommy's like it.
Then
No. Yes, it's the same. Day, I gotta see this one.
This.
Oh, it's not the same. Not the same. This is the same number of the 5. This is not the same number of the 3. That's why you call that different. That's different, Day, and this is not different.
it's different.
This one is different, and this is not different. There's 2 5 and 3 3s. But 3 3s, 3 3s makes 1, 2, 3,
Wait, that hasn't been here.
4, 5, 6. It makes 6, Day. 3 and 3 makes
This one.
6, Day.
Napkin.
Day and
Those are
3.
candles.
Day 3 and 3 makes.
3 and 5.
Day 3 makes 6, Day. 3 makes 6.
That's right, buddy. You learning how to add?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes, Day. What's 6 cubes? But there's only 5 of us, Day. There's only 5 of us. There's only, Day, I'm gonna do 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. Today, not 20. Day, I guess. Wow. Happy birthday to you. Wow. It has.
Wow.
No more touching it.
It's so.
It's like that.
It's time to buy.
Don't push it all the way over there into
Oh, what?
the holder.
Okay. It's
Give me my happy birthday party hat. This is for baby sister. Thank you. Hi, please.
Yeah, don't put it in there. Let your mom do it.
No, no,
Yeah.
no, 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 no,
Your mom will help you do it.
no. No, Neil. There you go, with the color pink.
Party hat.
Day. Yeah, there was one.
And Daddy got
Only
party hat
6
too.
party hats, Day. Only 6 party hats. What's your business?
Party
Scooties.
hat too, honey.
Scooties.
Ready?
Scooties. Yeah. Cool 2 party hats.
Just like that. This.
Yeah, 35. Oh no, 35 fall off. 35 fall off. Hey, I got 2 party hats on.
Okay, buddy.
We have 53.
There's a tag on the hat.
54,
Look
55,
at
56, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80,
Look on the front of
90.
it.
Mama, I'm just saying 18 there. Oh!
Good girl, even your party hat on, honey.
I can fix it now. Mama, I can fix it.
You're a good girl, even your party hat on, honey.
Oh no!
That's a good girl.
It's a magic, Mama. I do like it.
Magic.
That's why it's not.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. We're gonna sing happy birthday to mommy.
Thanks. Mama, we can say it faster and say, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you.
Dion. Say a happy birthday, Dion.
Come on, buddy. Let's sing.
Oh, come here.
Turn
That's like
on.
Dion, we're gonna light the candle. Come on. You can blow the candle out, Dion.
I'll blow the candles on.
Do. Dion. There, Dion. Okay,
I will
sing
blow
happy birthday.
You
Ready?
know what?
Okay, ready,
Come on,
Dion?
buddy.
Happy birthday.
Let's go. Let's sing. Yeah.
Okay, ready.
Ready? Let's sing.
Backwards.
Okay, ready. Dion, sing. Come here. Hold mommy's hand. Yes. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Mommy, anak. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Can you help
All
me?
right.
Oh, go. Michael, just try brother. Oh,
You're the wonderful blow.
you know what?
Dion, Dion singing, huh?
Michael,
Sing birthday to you.
Good singing, Dion. See, he's starting to sing now. That's good. Good job.
All right.
Michael singing too.
Man.
Did you sing too, Michael? Good job.
Open this, anak.
Oh,
Diyan, Michael.
oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I feel so heavy. It's heavy, honey. I feel so heavy.
Yum!
Sleepy, that's why.
Yeah, yeah. I want to eat too then. Go, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30.
You're cutting them over, Michael. You gotta stop where you start. You can't keep cutting them over.
Oh, it's better. For my wonderful wife, you're a blessing to me in many ways to come.
5,
Ah, 100 times.
7,
I'm so grateful for you, for our love, our family, and all the blessings God has given me because
12.
of
That's only
sharing life with this gift of you. Happy birthday with all my love, Dad, Dion, Michael, and Sophia. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Dad.
You give Mama a kiss. Yeah, give Mama a kiss. Kiss
Oh,
Mama.
money! There's money in there! There's money in there!
Easy for one.
No, just like
Mama,
that.
we ready to eat the
Give
cake,
Mama
Mama?
a kiss.
Oh no!
Aw,
Naman ng anak ngayon.
good job.
Good job,
Good
baby.
job.
Yay!
Oh!
You wanna eat?
I'll have one piece, but I gotta get milk. So you're gonna eat first, 'cause unless you want to take baby and let me eat first and give me a break.
I
My
want
arms.
to eat
She's
2
heavy.
pieces. I want to eat.
Here.
Here, my
Give me a
bubble
break.
gum.
Give me a break here. Oh, my arms still. Oh, my bad shoulder. I gotta eat, honey.
I want to eat cake too, Mama.
Oh my goodness, Daddy's girl today. Come on.
Michael, do you want some, Michael?
Yes,
Yo, don't cry, honey. My goodness, Daddy's girl.
I will have 2, Mama.
Oh,
Michael, only one, only one slice.
Yes. Only 1 and only 1.
want some milk?
1 makes 2, Mama.
Okay, watch this little pop off. Oh, what's the date on this stuff? Because you may have to start drinking this soon. November 11th or what's milk, honey? You got milk? Daddy, give you some milk. How do you want me to give it to her? Cup?
2, 3, go.
Glass. You want some milk, honey?
Cold hands. I was the
Put her
cold
in her crib. That's
hands.
milk.
I have cold hands.
I'll give you some milk.
I have
A
cold.
little bit at a time. Behind yourself. Milk.
Cold hands. Ouch! It hurts me. Cold hands. It hurts me. Cold hands.
I didn't get this today, Mommy. I was asking for it in the store. Did you want milk in the store? Remember? Oh, her eyes are like
Uh-oh.
ding. When I mentioned milk, babe, her eyes are like, look how big her eyes got. There you go.
Ding.
There you go. Oops.
Uh-oh.
There you go.
Mama, we need to cut it.
Drink milk?
You want a piece, Michael?
Yes.
How about you, Dion? Like,
Oh, no.
this weight. You got okay, you got the plate?
Oh no.
It's already pre-cut. I'm just gonna get a knife and move it to your plate.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Dion, you want a piece of cheesecake?
Uh-oh. I want.
There you go, buddy. Sure you don't want a piece, Dion? It's delicious. That's what she wanted. That's what she wanted. She wanted her milk today.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You look like such a big girl.
Drinking milk.
Yeah, you look like a big girl. Good job, honey. You got your milk. Yeah, girl. Yeah, you want a bite? Cheesecake. Delicious. Yeah, I'm glad you got this one, babe. The vanilla is better.
What vanilla?
Vanilla's the best.
Uh-oh.
What is this? Cheesecake.
Mm,
You don't like it?
It's way better than just the chocolate ones.
This is better than chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Good girl. She was going down her chin. She wiped it good. She's learning how to wipe. Good girl.